Product Mafia Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of Product Mafia Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. Product Mafia is a dropshipping tool designed to simplify the process of finding and selling profitable products for your e-commerce business. It's perfect for dropshippers who are looking for a streamlined way to discover high-quality, trending products and analyze market potential. Whether you're new to dropshipping or an experienced seller, Product Mafia provides essential features to help you grow and scale your business efficiently. One of the standout features of Product Mafia is its powerful product research tool. It allows you to easily browse a large selection of products from multiple suppliers, filtered by various criteria like price, demand, and competition. The tool highlights top-performing products and provides sales data, customer reviews, and profit margin insights to ensure that you're selecting products with the highest potential for success. This eliminates much of the guesswork that often comes with product sourcing. Another valuable feature of Product Mafia is its product trends analysis. This tool lets you track product performance over time and predict future trends based on real-time data. By using this tool, you can get ahead of the curve and start selling products before they reach their peak popularity. The platform also includes competitor research, allowing you to see what your competitors are selling and analyze their pricing and sales strategies. This gives you a competitive edge and helps you refine your own marketing and sales tactics. Product Mafia is made for dropshippers who need an easy-to-use, all-in-one solution for product research and market analysis. It's especially beneficial for those who want to save time and make data-driven decisions to improve their store's performance. In terms of strengths, Product Mafia provides in-depth product data, trend analysis, and competitor insights all in one platform. However, it does have some weaknesses, including a limited free trial and a pricing structure that may not suit everyone's budget. In conclusion, Product Mafia is a comprehensive dropshipping tool that simplifies the research process, helping you find profitable products, track trends, and analyze competitors. Despite some pricing concerns, its features make it an invaluable resource for serious dropshipping entrepreneurs. Be sure to check the description for more information and to get started.